Greetings everyone, I welcome you all to TV Math. Today we want to look at some pure mathematics revision questions and answers, and we shall begin with question number 1. So question number 1 says, solve the equation which is log 25 of 4x squared equaling to log of 5 of 3 minus x squared. So our major focus will be to make sure that we express this expression into the same logarithm. So this is log of 25, but this is log of 5. So our major aim at first will be change of bases in logarithm. So we need to either convert everything to be in log of 5, or else we can put everything in terms of log of 5. So let us begin with the solution approach number 1. So our first solution approach will be to express the left hand side in terms of log 5. So we need to recall some few concepts. One is that when you are having a logarithm of AB, you can change the base from A to C by having log C of B divided by log of C of A. So what is here becomes, it comes here, and what is in the base will be at this given point. So you have converted everything to be in terms of log of C. So for that case, if we want to convert log of 25 of 4x squared to be in terms of log of 5, then we shall do the same. So we shall have log of 5 of 4x squared divided by log of 5 of 25. So try to simplify this, and this will be log of 5. 4x squared can be expressed as 2x squared. So divided by log of 5, then 25 can be expressed as 5 squared. So you can bring this one here, you can bring the 2 there. So you realize you will have 2 log, you will have 2 log of 5 of 2x divided by log of 5 of 25. As we have seen, log of 525 will be same as 2. So this is 2 log of 5 of 2x divided by 2 log of 5 of 5. Remember, log 5 of 5 is 1, so the 2 will cancel out, then you will remain with log of 5 of 2x, which is equal to log of 5 of 3 minus x squared. So we shall be able to remain with log of 5 of 2x in the left hand side. So on the right hand side, we already have log of 5 of 3 minus x squared. So from here, since you have achieved this expression where you are having only the same basis, that is log of 5 here, log of 5 there, and you are equating. So it is same as for this logarithm to be equal to this. It means these arguments, since the bases are already equal, then the arguments must also be equal. So for that case, we shall equate the arguments and have 2x is equal to 3 minus x squared. So from there, we can form a quadratic equation, which will be x squared plus 2x minus 3 equaling to 0. We already know how to solve a quadratic equation. So what we shall do is we shall try to factorize. So try to factorize this given expression, and when you factorize this, you will be able to get x plus 3 into x minus 1, giving you that either your x will be 3 or negative 3, or your x will be positive 1. So you have your x as negative 3 and you have your x as 1. So these are the values of x. However, whenever you are given logarithm, then you need to test each of these values here. So before we come up with the final value of x, let us first look at the solution approach number 2, and then we look at how best we can test for the values of x, whether they all satisfy the given expression. So let us look at solution approach number 2. Let us look at solution approach number 2. So from the given equation, we had that log of 25 of 4x squared is same as log of 5 of 3 minus x squared. This was the given expression. So we need now to express the right hand side to be in terms of log 25. Our first approach, we converted the left hand side to be in terms of log of 5. So we maintain log of 5 throughout, but in this case we want to change the base and have it in terms of log of 25. So for that case, let us deal with the right hand side, then we convert it to also be in terms of log of 25. So we can achieve the same logarithm or the same base of logarithm on both sides. So using the change of base, as we have seen, we said that if you have log of a of b and you want to change the base to log of c, then you will have log of c of b divided by log of c of a. So for that case, we want to change this one to be in terms of log of 25. So we shall have log of 5 of 3 minus x squared will be same as having log of 25, 3 minus x squared, then divided by log of 25 over 5. That is what we shall have. So from this given expression, what will be log of 25 of 5? So log of 25 of 5, we are saying is same as a half. But how does this one come? So if you express everything in terms of log of 5, so this will be log of 5 of 5 divided by log of 5 of 25. So this is same as having 1 upon, this is same as having 2 log of 5 of 5. So that's why we say that this expression is same as a half, because this will be 1, this will be 2, so you get a half. So log of 25 of 5 is same as a half. So what does that one mean? It means that if you have log of 25 of 4x squared is same as log of 25 of 3 minus x squared divided by log of 25 of 5, as we have seen here. So for that case, this will imply that since this is same as a half, so you are having a log of 25 of 3 minus x squared divided by a half. So if you have log of 25 of 3 minus x squared divided by a half, so this will be same as actually having 2 log of 25 of 3 minus x squared. That is what it means. So this one divided by a half is same as multiplying by the reciprocal of a half, which is 2. So this is same as 2 log of 25 of 3 minus x squared. So from this given point, that's why we shall be having this expression, because the 2 will come there and you will have this as log of 25 of 3 minus x squared. So for that case, it means we shall have log of 25 of 4x squared equaling to log of 25 into 3 minus x squared, then again squared. So the 2 will come here and it will square 3 minus x squared. So from here, you realize you have achieved on both sides the same base. So this is log of 25, this is log of 25. If for the two sides to be equal, since the bases are already equal, it means even the arguments must be equal. So 4x squared must be equal to 3 minus x squared again squared. So you have, for that case, this expression here. So when you equate the arguments, you will have 4x squared, which is equal to 3 minus x squared then square. So from here you can take the square root on both sides. So when you take the square root on both sides, to remove the square, you will have 2x, which is equal to 3 minus x squared. So try to arrange this, and you will have x squared plus 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0, which is the same expression as we got in the first approach. So you realize you can have this as x plus 3 into x minus 1, which will be equal to 0, giving you the values of x as negative 3 or your x as positive 1. So these will be the values of x, and we obtain the same values when we look at the two approaches. So let us now look at the final value of x. So we need to see which value of x satisfies the given expression. So lastly, we need to look at the final verification. So we are given that log of 25 of 4x squared is same as log of 5 of 3 minus x squared. So we need to test which values of x satisfies the given equation. So the values of x, we have x equaling to 1 and x equaling to negative 3. So we can easily realize that when you have 4x squared, that for any values of x, this expression here will remain positive. So for that case, log of 25 of a positive number is achievable. However, we know that logarithm of 25 of any negative number is not possible. So it means for any values of x, for x equaling to 1 and x equaling to 3, this left hand side will be okay. But when we look at the right hand side, you realize you have 3 minus x squared. So it means that not for all the values of x will this expression remain positive. So this will be considered as our domain. So if we need the values of x to make this expression positive, such that log of 5 of a positive number is able to exist, but we know log of 5 of a negative number cannot exist. So it means we must achieve a positive value here. For this one is positive because whether x is negative or positive, x squared will give you a positive value. So for this case, the left hand side will be okay. But for the right hand side, you realize you have 3 minus x squared. So you must achieve a positive here. So for which values of x will give you a positive value here is when your domain is greater than 0. So we are saying 3 minus x squared must be greater than 0, and which means that x squared should be less than 3. So you are having 3 greater than x squared. So for that case, your x squared must be less than 3, and that implies that your values of x should be ranging between negative root 3 and root of 3. So when you look at the values of x you have x as 1 and x as negative 3. So which of the values will qualify? Are the values which are between negative root 3 and positive root 3. And for that case, the value which can satisfy is x equaling to 1. X equaling to negative 3 is above this given range. So from there, we shall be able to give the general conclusion that the value of x is 1. If you need, you can do the verification from the given expression. If you have log of 25 of 4 times, you begin with negative 3 squared. Is this one equal to log of 5 of 3 minus negative 3 squared? So you realize here you will have a log of 25 of 4 times 9, which is equal to log of 5 of 3 minus 9, which is negative 3. So you realize that this one is not possible. This one is not possible. So this value here cannot exist. So if it cannot exist, this is not possible. So since this is not possible, it means your x equaling to negative 3 will be out. So if you put your x equaling to 1, you realize this will be a logarithm of 25 of 4 times 1 squared, which is 4, which is equal to log of 5 of 3 minus 1. So this will be log of 25 of 4, which is equal to log of 5 of 2. So this is true because this one here, when you convert it to be in terms of this logarithm, it will be same as having log 5 of 2 squared, so which I can write here, divided by log 5 of 25. 25 is also same as 2. So this will be 2, so this will cancel. You will remain with log of 5 of 2. So you realize this and this are equal. So here it means x equaling to 1 satisfies the given expression. So whenever you get two values of x, make sure you always verify whether one or all of them satisfy the given expression. So that is about logarithm, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share to all your friends. Thank you so much.
Yeah.